how to change your LinkedIn public URL. So by default, if you don't have a custom LinkedIn URL, you will have a bunch of numbers instead of what I have right there. So there's many benefits to have like a proper custom URL, but first let me show you how to do it. So the first thing is that you're gonna click on your profile right there on the top right. Then you're gonna click on settings and privacy. Once you've done that, you're going to go to visibility and you're going to click on edit your public profile. And you see on the right, you have edit your custom URL. And from there, you just need to click on this. And as you can see, you can change it. And your URL must contain 3 to 100 letters and numbers. And that's it. So with that being said, you know now how to customize your LinkedIn URL. But the thing is, you need to really know what is the purpose of doing that, except to have a good looking profile URL. So there's actually quite a lot of benefits to doing this. The first benefit of doing that is that it will help you to rank better in the LinkedIn search. So essentially, when people are searching for some keywords on LinkedIn, it's a search bar, and every search bar they have built-in SEO. And if in your LinkedIn URL you have certain keywords that you also use as well in your LinkedIn headline, it's just gonna help like LinkedIn to put you on top in the search. And so that contributes to you ranking first if you do it on both the LinkedIn URL and in the LinkedIn headline and in other parts of your profile. It's also something that will prevent you to appear in different databases. So if you don't like databases software that are pretty much like selling your data, your LinkedIn URL, etc., the good thing about this is that most databases software, what they do is that they scrape LinkedIn every 6 months or maybe once a year, or sometimes they just do it once for the LinkedIn URL, but they never redo it for something else. They never redo it on the LinkedIn URL, I mean. So essentially, what it means is that by doing that, you will become your profile will disappear from the platform. It will make an error for 404, and thanks to that you pretty much save on these databases. Um, and the other thing is that obviously it's a much more elegant and readable URL. It's something that you can share more easily, and to put it in QR code as well, or just on people on socials. So it's technically something that is much better. And when you do it, think about to have a professional LinkedIn custom URL, because if you are on LinkedIn to look for a job, or maybe just to do business with someone, if people see that you have a crazy thing like a LinkedIn profile at Arno, King of the World, I mean, it's cool depending on the context and what you're selling. But for some people, I know some people who got in trouble because of this. So just make sure to put something that is professional minimum. And also, if you just want to get your spot with your first name, last name to be the first, like in the case on Instagram, when you back in the days, like you were able to get your first name and last name without numbers, just go for it. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Make sure to check out my software, breakcold.com, because if you care about LinkedIn, it's a sales CRM that will help you to generate leads, nurture leads, and close deals with LinkedIn, but also emails, calling, etc. Cheers, bye.